For someone na galing sa Pinas, hindi madali ang mag-drive dito sa UK. At hindi rin madali ipasa yung driving test nila dito, yung practical driving test nila dito. Imagine, more than 50% yung bumagsak. So, yung passing rate nila is nasa 48%. Nagva-vary siya, 42, 48 to 48%. Basta, every year, nag-iiba siya. Pero, usually, less than 50% talaga yung pumapasa sa driving test nila. So, mahirap siya na ipasa talaga. Hindi siya biro. So, you have to take a lot of driving lessons. And it's very different driving in the Philippines kasi marami kang i-consider dito. Yung speed mo, yung road markings, yung traffic signs. Dami-dami. Iba siya compared dyan sa Philippines. And so, the day has come. Today is 24th of May. And today is my driving test, practical driving test. So, I'm just waiting for my instructor to come. Pipick upin niya ako para dalhin sa driving test center at gawin yung test namin. I'm positive that I will be able to make it. Kasi, I've been preparing for this. Pinagandaan ko siya. Ang dami ko ng driving lessons. Nagpa-practice ako. Although, nag-drive ako sa Philippines, but then, of course, different pa rin pag andito. Sabi ko nga. So, ayan. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm positive that I'll be able to make it. Although, I don't want to be stressed, or pressured kasi nga, ang dami na sinasabihan ng asawa ko. Supposedly, gusto ko sana na, kukunti lang yung may alam na may driving test ako para less pressure. Though hindi ko pinipressure yung sarili ko, sabi ko nga, if I won't be able to make it today, then may chance pa naman ako na mag-take ulit ng driving test. Kasi when I came here to the UK, mayroon ako international driver's permit. So, pwede ko siyang gamitin for 1 year. So, pwede ako mag-drive dito unaccompanied na ako lang mag-isa using my international driver's permit. But, within a year, kailangan ipasa ko yung UK practical driving test. Kasi mag-expire na nga yun. So, right now, provisional license yung mayroon ako. So, pwede ako mag-drive if may kasama ako. Pero dahil may international driver's permit ako, then, pwede ako mag-drive kahit wala si Nigel o wala akong kasama na may full license. But anyway, yun nga, if gusto kong mag-drive na mag-isa lang talaga after the expiry of this international driver's permit, then, kailangan ko siya talagang ipasa yung driving test para magka-full license ako. So, sabi ni Mr. sa akin kaninang umaga na mayroon daw siyang papremyo sa akin kung maipasa ko yung driving test today. So, tingnan natin and I'll let you know kung ano yung magiging price niya sa akin. Exciting. Pero yun nga, kahit may driving, may papremyo, I don't want to pressure myself. So, I entrusted everything to the universe, to the Lord, that, everything will be okay. I was just, praying that, I'll be able to drive safely, calmly, safely, and legally. So, ayan lang. And then, I'll be able to pass the driving test. So yun nga. Balitaan ko kayo later kung anong mangyayari sa driving test natin. So, yeah. See you later.